can find bus. Yeah, absolutely. Y'all seen the penny deals at Home Depot? You know, I don't guess I have. Has anybody seen the penny deals at Home Depot? Is that just something you saw that on YouTube where somebody said they had those? I've seen some things where people say, "Hey, you can get." I have seen where they go and they'll. I don't know how they. I think there's a company you have to join to see the penny deals. Or have you experienced it? Are any of them really true? I don't know if they necessarily called them penny deals, but they were like, they'd find an item and go to a Home Depot and they were selling them, something that maybe cost normally $20. And okay, good, Jason. Meet you there. Like $20 or so, and you could get it for like, under $1 or $2 or, something really low. But what they don't say is I don't know if those items are just mispriced by Home Depot. But if they are mispriced, I wouldn't want to, even though, yeah, you could go do it, and they'll stand by it. I don't know if I could make myself do that because it's, in the retail business, if you ever worked in the retail business, errors do happen in pricing and scanning, especially when they went to scanning stuff and not the old school where they put a price tag on it. But even then there were always pricing errors. And, you got to know that shoplifting and like pricing errors and stuff where a retailer have to that retailers lose money on ends up costing all of us in the long run. So, if I find something that's like that, well, I don't try to hold their feet to the fire on it. I don't feel right about that. But hey, that's me. Everybody can do what they want, but I have seen something like that. People are getting expensive stuff that ring up for pennies. Yeah, I've seen that, and I don't know if that's. And I mean, I've seen they show you, but I don't know if that's stuff that got mispriced by Home Depot or wherever they're at, and shouldn't be priced that price. But I've seen it go the other way when it's supposed to be on sale and they got it marked full price. And where I see that a lot, where stuff is mispriced, and I'm not bashing them, but Target is bad about having prices on the shelf for an item, and you get up and you get ready to check out and you scan it and it's 30 or 40 cents more than the price they have tagged. And then when I see stuff like that, I always call them out on it and I make them give me the price that they have it marked at on the shelf because somebody didn't do their job.